Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Terry, and I'm gonna teach you how you can make $100 a day reselling sneakers using the consignment method. Let's quickly go over some proof here. I'm gonna hit the refresh button, and you can see that all the numbers are legit. Today I did $2,144 in sales. We got two pending sales for $208. So far for the month of January, I did $31,000 in sales. How to make $100 a day using the consignment method, all right? So the process is pretty simple. I source my sneakers from marketplaces like StockX, GOAT, Sneaker Dunk, In Person, and I resell it on consignment platforms like Stadium Supply. So Stadium Supply is only in the United States currently. They do have a wait list for people that are in EU. If you go to sellers.stadiumgoods.com/EU, they have a wait list for EU members. And I recommend signing up for the wait list if you are in EU. If you're in America, congratulations. You can take advantage of this business model. There are nobody online talking about this opportunity, and why not be the first one to do it, right? No gatekeeping. I make $31,000 every month with the consignment method, and my team is scaling this up. We're hoping to do 10 times that, 300K a month, and $3 million for the year. So let's turn it down a notch and start with $100. How can we make $100 every day reselling sneakers, okay, with the consignment method? So I'm going to show you some of my success here. We're going to go into sales, and we're just going to look at some of the sales that I've been doing. And let me be clear, every sneaker that you buy is a risk, okay? If there's no risk, there's no reward. If you want to make it, you have to take risk. And this applies to everything in life, okay? So when you see something like this, right? This Dunk Low metallic silver, I sold for $66. I sold it for a loss. Yes, you will end up taking losses. You will end up making mistakes. I make mistakes, all right? And I've been doing this for a while. So don't think this is a get rich quick scheme. There's going to be winners, there's going to be losers. Just know that as long as you're profitable, you're doing great. Let's go over some winners that we had for the past few days. That's literally today, okay? So I probably bought this off StockX. Let me pull it up right now. Okay, we're going to go into buying. Look, I bought over 1,000 pairs of shoes on StockX, okay? Everything that I buy is a risk. I take a risk. Let's look at this one. Wash Blue. I sold for $359. Size 6.5. I paid $155. That's almost a 2x. That's already $100 right there. And it sold today, and I bought it last month. About 50 days, okay? So turnover was about 50 days for a 2x. Let's keep going. 9060 Timberwolf, 8.5. I sold for 269. I bought for 107. That's almost a 2.5x. Mexico 66 Birch Black, size 6.5. Sold for 255. I paid 165. So we made about $90, $80, something like that. Maybe like 50 at the very least after all the fees and everything. I don't know, quick maths in my head. Jordan sweatpants. These are the Supreme Jordan collab that they did this season. I sold for 250 on Stadium Goods. I got it for retail. Let me see how much they're going. Here they are. So they're going for 125 on StockX. This is size medium. 150. I paid retail, so 150, and sold for 250. Let's be generous and say $70 profit, right? After fees or whatever. Not bad. Turnover was quite long though. It's been like 3 months, 90 days. PSP, PSP. And regarding the losers, like these Dunk Low metallic silvers, right? You test them once. If they lose, obviously I will never buy them again, right? I'm gonna maximize on the ones that are winning. So at least I'm getting some of my money back, and then I could rotate that money into the winners and make more money. The best thing about this business model is that it's compounding. So I reinvest the money back into inventory, and that profit compounds as you reinvest it. So it's an exponential growth. If you keep reinvesting money, if you keep pouring money into the business, you will make more money by leaving the money in there. So that's just my advice. Obviously, I would love a brand new car. I can afford a brand new car if I want to, but that would be a stupid financial move on my end when I can just let it sit for longer and I'll make a lot more money. You know what I mean? Okay, Cream Pico is sold for 300. Cream Pico 8.5 I bought for 167 and sold for 300. Mushroom Brown. In my previous video, I made a video about the SKU Mushroom Brown. It's doing really good. You see how many I bought? Look, here's my thought process, right? I buy one, I test it. If it's doing good, I buy a crap ton of them, right? So right now, size 6. Where's the size 6? Size 6 right here. 164 and I sold for 286. Probably like close to a 2x, something like that. And I bought it 3 months ago. 3 months turnover. It took a little while, but we made that money. This one right here, semi-frozen. I sold this for 566. One of my top sellers, to be honest. And I bought for 221, sold for $566. Let's keep going. I can go all day. The successes make up for the losses and more. Let's see, 9060 magnet sold for 264. I bought for 121. That's close to a 2.5x. Pretty good money right there. 530 Moonbeam, size 8.5, sold for 227. Where's the 8.5? I paid $93, you know what I mean? Sea Salt Mac 9060, sold for 177. I paid 103. Easy Boost Sand, size 9, sold for 352. I paid 200. Action Brunson, sold for 276. Okay, that's a loss. 9060 Driftwood, sold for $321. What is that, size 5.5? I paid $125. Let's keep going. Gray Matter 530, sold for $250. I paid $116. Size 5.5, sold for $270. I paid, where is it? Okay, maybe I bought this on Go or something. All the sales success that I've shown you, it's happened in the past 5 days, okay? I could keep going on and on and on. You make $100 off one shoe. Imagine doing that 100 times, right? That's $10,000. Let me show you my best bangers. Birch Peacoat sold for $500. Size 5.5. Where is it? I paid $180. Wales Bonner Brown Crocs sold for $486. How much did I pay? Size 8.5. $273. Cloud White sold for $500. I paid $258. You get the idea, boys. Sold for size 9, sold for $500. I paid $220. Come on, guys, you get the idea. This is how you can make $100 a day with the consignment method. This shit is hot. Nobody's talking about this. The resale game is not dead. The best thing about the consignment method is you can do this indefinitely. This is a long-term game. You want to play long-term games with long-term people. Like the famous Naval, he said, play iterative games. And this is one of them. All the returns in life comes from compound interest. So this is something we're doing for the long run, you know what I mean? We're not making a quick buck here. We're building a business. We're taking risks. We're solving a problem and we're making that money. In this video, I hoped I could show you what the consignment method looks like at a high level, help you understand how I'm making this money and how you can do it too. It's very easy. Like I said, all the information is online. Check out my other videos. Leave a comment if you need help. Hit me up on Instagram. I'm always here to help, guys. Oh yeah, one more thing. Check out my community post, boys. I'm offering 10 free calls to help a few people build a successful e-commerce business using the consignment method. No strings attached. Check this link out. Book a call with me for 15 minutes. I'll give you some free value. All I want to know is what you're struggling with right now so I can create a simple action plan for you. I'm not selling you anything. I got no pitch. I'm looking to help people build an e-commerce business using the consignment method and scale up to 5 to 30K a month just like me. If I can do it, you can do it, boys. Let's get this money. Like always, it's been an absolute pleasure, boys. Stay hungry. Peace out.